Let's go make this baby thump. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of All Things Motorized. My cousin bought a Jeep. We're going to put a subwoofer in the back, make her go boom boom, then we'll play some non-copyright music and listen to it. Then we're going to make him give us a spin in it. Here we go. So he had this mishmash setup, a 110, 112, and some piece of crap amp. So we're going to change it. We're going to put 112. He just bought an 1100 watt amp, and we're going to make her go boom.
Yep.
Wow, that's a nice box you got there, boy. She got a little damp at one point.
Well, first things first, we're going to hook these wires up right inside there. You got it?
Got it. What do you expect for a free subrods? That's been sitting in the garage for 5 years.
Which way is the bottom? This way. Time to test this thing out. Here we go.
This empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care.
This already hits better.
Keep moving like scars. It's in the air, like a crazy fire.
We can't forget the most important part. The sticker and non-copyright music. Justin screwed up. He put a hole in it. It talks. I know play more music. So we're switching her out with some off-brand with no name.
It's probably hit just as hard or better.
Unexpected sequence in the vlog. We're going to the store because we're buying another one.
Yay!
Small.
Yeah. I know. Trust me.
Safety first. He just got his license, so we're going to trust our life with him.
I wouldn't do that.
How's the back seat?
Tight. What the?
It's not good, but it's tight. I'll be honest, guys, it's been a long time since I've ridden in a hoopty. It's a little scary.
We used to drive this thing every day, just like this. On Teslas, it just fast.
Alright guys, just made it to our local Walmart. Let's run in and get this subwoofer.
Roll back.
You want to get some B-roll of the shopping cart? So which one should we go with here?
Oh, this is a bad boy right here. Yeah.
Cheapest one possible.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna go with this here $29.97 deal. 12-inch. We got a dual speaker. We got a Boss amp. It's gonna rock.
Yeah, that battery's shot.
It's not the alternator then.
No, I'm sure. Well, it could be eventually, but I'm sure that battery's shot.
So if I get the charger pack and hook it up, it should start up and get me to where I'm going.
I don't know. I would get a battery if I was you,
Do
though.
they sell batteries in there?
Yeah, so right down here.
You can get. What? 2004?
Yeah.
2005. 4. And you said Monte Carlo. Is it the 3? I'm assuming if it's an SS, it's a 3.8 liter.
I believe so. It's the David Earnhardt edition, so it's a fast one.
So this guy was just telling us that he needed a battery, but he had a 2000-something Monte Carlo SS, the David Earnhardt edition, the fast one. Like, what the hell?
The David Earnhardt edition. Rock on, brother.
I believe so. It's the David Earnhardt edition, so it's a fast one. I believe so. It's the David Earnhardt edition, so it's a fast one.
So what's camera?
We're vlogging, but we need that one.
We're a motorized channel. Look us up, all things motorized. Just this? Yep.
Thank you, boss.
There you go. I'm for real.
Scan this.
It's free. It didn't.
Nah.
You don't need that
No
protection.
protection plan.
Well, I don't know. Can you afford $31.77 there, boy?
Got the gas, bro. $3, brother.
Justin, get us some money. Mint. All right, we're gonna do an unboxing here. Woo! There's a speaker. Dang, dude.
When I'm putting a speaker system in, I like to go for one nice ice cold beverage. Dr. Pepper. That's what keeps me through the day.
This is not a paid product placement for Dr. Pepper or its affiliates. We about to be thump 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 bump bump bumping.
Let's look under this mother hood.
Look her there, boy. Straight 6. Yee-haw! Alright, really? We do have to put the fuse in, so that's why we're under the hood. Alright guys, we're gonna head back to the house. Yeah! You're not have to worry about copyright now because there is no copyright. It's only bass. Yee!
What's this asshole? Back at the house. About to put some speakers in the doors now. Let's get to it.
This ain't just no Cherokee. This is a Cherokee Sport. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Should I get a setup like this in my white truck? I already have 212, but they sound like crap. So should I get some a little more bumping for cheap? Also, on another side note, what color should I wrap the truck? I'm thinking purple camo to match the bike. Well, the bike's not camo, but the truck will be camo with the same purple.
So, we got a unexpected thing. The speaker wire is broken underneath. We're gonna have to pull new wire, but we're not doing that tonight. It's getting dark outside and we want to light a fire. Stay tuned for that.